Riflecx Gun Care System is a complete solution for the comprehensive maintenance of firearms, ensuring their long-term and reliable operation. All products are manufactured in Poland and have received positive evaluations from the Military Institute of Armament Technology and Air Force Institute of Technology. Gun care process with the pocket set. A pocket set designed for every firearm owner, whether hunter, soldier, or sport shooter, who needs an efficient, space-saving gun care solution. Always disassemble the weapon following the manufacturer's instructions and adhering to safety procedures. If a magazine is attached, eject it from the weapon. Pull back the slide to ensure the cartridge chamber is empty. Lay out the Riflecx mat on the table. Secure the mat with Riflecx foiled cleaning cloth, which absorbs dirt perfectly and leaves a dry surface underneath. Always place the cleaning cloth with the foiled side down. If the gun has a threaded barrel secured with a nut, remove it. Remove the slide from the gun. Remove the guide rod and recoil spring. Remove the barrel. Gun cleaner. The strictly selected chemical composition and the highest pressure among market formulations make it effective in rinsing out all dirt, leaving the weapon clean and degreased. Gun cleaner is also safe for composite or wooden parts. Shake the can for a minimum of 30 seconds before use. Use gun cleaner to remove contaminants from any weapon components, frame, slide, barrel, guide rod. The product's high pressure and optimized formulation effectively rinse away dirt even from hard-to-reach areas. If necessary, use soft bristled or copper brushes to clean the chamber. After using the gun cleaner, the weapon will be clean and degreased, but unprotected. Do not store such a weapon in a gun cabinet as there is a risk of corrosion. Riflecx cleaning cloth. Wipe off any residual gun cleaner with a cloth. A specialized cleaning material with a very strong fiber weave, ideal for both dry and wet work. Cut resistant. Leaves no threads on the clean surface. Made from cellulose and polyester, it has a high absorption coefficient. Use bore snake to clean the barrel. Bore snake Riflecx. Equipped with copper brushes and a wider end of the string to dry the barrel, the possibility to connect the ends significantly speeds up the cleaning process. Always use the bore snake in the caliber of the gun being cleaned. Insert the start of the bore snake into the barrel until it exits the other end. Connect the ends by tightening them firmly. Pull the bore snake straight out of the barrel, ensuring the ends are tightly twisted. Never pull the bore snake out diagonally to avoid damaging the crown. Care spray. Contains original Teflon, which regenerates micro damage to the metal and forms an effective anti-corrosion coating. It does not leave an oily film and is safe for wooden parts and composite materials, leaving a dry, shiny, and corrosion-protected surface. The hydrophobic properties of Teflon prevent water from sticking to the weapon, enhancing shooting comfort in rain or snow. Needles and sand will not adhere to the surface. To protect your weapon against corrosion, carefully apply care spray to each clean and dry part of the weapon. Remember to protect the inside of the barrel. Wipe off any excess product with the Riflecx cleaning cloth. Dry the barrel. To do so, use bore snake in the same way as for cleaning. CLP Oil. Intended for lubrication of moving parts of the weapon, ensuring smooth operation and preventing jams. The oil protects against excessive wear and provides protection against corrosion even under high temperatures. Apply a drop of oil to the barrel of the gun and spread it over the entire surface to prevent abrasion. Insert the barrel into the bolt. Install the spring-loaded rod. Apply 1 drop of oil to each guide of the slide to ensure reliable operation. Mount the slide onto the frame. After completing the gun care process, cycle the gun several times to ensure the CLP oil is evenly distributed on the parts exposed to friction. Screw the nut onto the barrel. Thoroughly wipe the weapon of excess preparations with a Riflecx cleaning cloth or microfiber cloth. Riflecx Gun Care System Pocket Set, dedicated to field operations where compactness and effectiveness are crucial. Available for purchase online or in store. Find a list of shops at riflecx.com.